Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's learn and grow together. Today we will see next questions of MSTCET 2017, and we have already seen 15 questions, and the 16th question is identify the invalid equation. We have to identify invalid equation among the four options. First option is delta H is equal to summation of enthalpy of products minus enthalpy of reactants, and this equation is correct. And another equation, delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V, and this equation is also correct. These are the formulas, hence we can identify which is the correct or incorrect. This question is from the topic thermodynamics, and the option C is delta H0 reaction, delta H0 of the reaction, that is the standard enthalpy change of the reaction, is equal to summation of enthalpies of the products minus enthalpies of the reactants, and this equation is wrong because in case of calculation of standard enthalpy of the reaction, we have to subtract enthalpies, sum of the enthalpies of reactant minus sum of the enthalpies of the product. Hence the incorrect equation is this equation, because delta H is equal to delta U plus delta nRT, P delta V is equal to delta nRT. Hence these two equations are also correct, and the invalid equation is the C equation, and the correct equation for this is delta H0 reaction is equal to delta H0 reactant minus delta H0 product. Then we will move to the question number 17. Which of the following compound has the lowest boiling point? And these options are given. N-butyl alcohol, I have already written the formula to save the time. Isobutyl alcohol, this is the isobutyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, and secondary butyl alcohol. For this, we must know the formulae or the representation of these organic compounds. As the branching increases, boiling point decreases. Hence, the correct option is, if lowest is asked, this is the correct answer, because it has a more branching, boiling point lower. As the branching increases, number of molecules come close to each other, or surface area, don't come to each other, surface area decreases, and due to the decrease in surface area, van der Waals force of attraction decreases, and hence it is having lowest boiling point, because less number of molecules are associated together. Due to the van der Waals force of attraction between the alcohol molecules having same molecular formula, they will have, as the branching increases, van der Waals force of attraction increases, and hence number of molecules associated together increases, and amount of energy which is required to break this association increases. Hence, less is the branching, higher is the boiling point, more is the branching, lower is the boiling point. Hence, lowest boiling point is of tertiary butyl alcohols due to more branching. Then we will move to the next question, which is the cheap constituent of Pyrex glass. And the options are B2O3, SiO2, Al2O3, and Na2O. This component is not present, that constituent is not present in Pyrex glass, but these three are present. Maximum is SiO2, it is 80 to 85%. Then B2O3, it is a 15 to 20%, and remaining if there is a alumina, that is Al2O3. Hence the correct option is SiO2. It is having cheap constituent, it is a cheap constituent of Pyrex glass. This is a knowledge based question. Then what is the SI unit of conductivity? And it is also a knowledge based question. By the using formula, the correct answer is a Siemens per meter. Siemens is the unit of conductivity, and the unit of conductivity is Siemens per meter. Unit area, Siemens per unit area, and area per meter. Then the last question of this session is for which among the following equimolar aqueous solution Van top factor has the lowest value. And to determine the Van top factor, we must know the molecular formulae. Aluminium chloride is represented as AlCl3, potassium sulfate K2SO4, urea NH2CONH2, and ammonium chloride as NH4Cl. If we observe the number of particles in the aqueous solution of these will be, because these are equimolar and number of particles is equal to, the formula contains aluminium and 3 chlorine ions, 1 plus 3, that is 4 ions are produced, 2 plus 1, 3 ions are produced, because 2 potassium ions are there and 1 sulfate 2 minus ion. It will not produce number of ions, hence there is only one molecule and number of ions will be not, hence number of molecules is 1, and it will produce how many particles? 2 particles. Number of particles increases, colligative property increases, because colligative property depends upon number of particles, and as number of particles increases, colligative property increases, and hence Van top factor also increases. And आपल्याला विचारलेलं की which has lowest value, and the lowest value will be for urea, because it will not undergo dissociation, and hence the correct answer is a C, urea. Thank you. We will see the next questions in another session.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription, you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.